Well, I've come down to Balingup, which is sort of south of Bunbury, I suppose you'd say. And it's just a beautiful sunny day. Around Balingup they have lots of, like over in Victoria, when the autumn comes, all the trees change a different colour. So we thought we'd have a walk around and show you that. But if ever you're coming down through Balingup, it's called the Golden Valley Tree Park. So you just need to come in, obviously autumn's the best time to come. So let's go and I'll just turn the camera around and you can have a look at the beautiful colour. I suppose it's such beautiful light, but look at that down there, it's absolutely beautiful. I just love the setting of this house here. All the light through the trees. It's really quite nice, and down the road. You know, if you lived in New South Wales and Victoria, you know, you'd know what this means. It's absolutely beautiful. But we're in the middle of farmland, so we'll go for a walk down the road. There's another park a bit further down. But then the colour's nice. Just beautiful little old building. A bit of history there in that one. A beautiful light through that tree. These little nuts. Not sure what they are, but looks like they might open up to little pine cones kind of things. So this is sort of a pine tree. Winter hasn't fully come yet, but how beautiful would that be? In winter when the water's running through there, it'd be beautiful. Beautiful old shed, not sure what it would be. Those beautiful colours. Absolutely beautiful, and there's the tree it came off. Isn't that gorgeous? Very beautiful, just beautiful winter light, soft. Beautiful little driveway. This part's quite big actually, the magic oak wood. So we'll go for a bit of a walk and see what's around. Beyond is the magic oak wood. Let's go and have a look. Let's have a look at this beautiful tree. What a beautiful view. I'm just walking under this tree. I'm not sure what they call acorns. But there's a tree above us. Could be, yeah. Looks like an acorn tree above us, but I thought this would be something that the parrots would eat. It's interesting though. So Irene said that this tree, we haven't had any rain yet, so but usually this tree sits in a lake or a big pond. But it's a pretty looking tree. All the colours have changed. Around here they have all little seats that you can sit on. Looks good. I'm just sitting here on this chair and just admiring the colour as you look through there. Isn't that beautiful? A few of our little friends here. Come down for the dinner. I'm talking to them.